Dear class second year, today we are going to discuss the free radical mechanism of halogenation of alkanes. What is meant by halogenation? The reaction of an alkane with a halogen is called halogenation of alkanes, and during this process so many alkyl halide products are obtained. For example, we have methane, that is an alkane, and it reacts with a halogen. There must be present the diffused sunlight. Diffused sunlight is acting as a catalyst in this reaction, and we get methyl halide and a hydrogen halide molecule. This is a general reaction which can be written as CH4 plus X2, that is a halogen. In the presence of diffused sunlight, it produces an alkyl halide and a hydrogen halide molecule. Which kind of halogens are mostly used? That is chlorine and bromine. These are mostly used during halogenation of alkanes. Why we cannot use fluorine? This is not used. Why this is not used? Because it reacts explosively. Its reaction is very much rapid and explosive. That is why fluorine is not used. Similarly, in this reaction, iodine is not used. And why? Because it reacts very slowly. The reaction of iodine with alkanes is very much slower. That is why we generally don't use iodine. Similarly, fluorine is also not used. What catalyst is present during this process? The catalyst is sunlight. Sunlight is acting as a catalyst. It provides energy to the halogen molecules. That is why we can say that sunlight is used as a catalyst. But it must be diffused sunlight. Diffused sunlight means the light with low intensity. In bright sunlight, complete removal of hydrogen takes place, and instead of getting an alkyl halide, only carbon is obtained. That is another way of reacting a halogen with alkanes. So this reaction generally takes place in the presence of diffused sunlight. Now we write the reaction of, for example, bromine with methane. Methane is a CH4 molecule. When it reacts with bromine, it produces methyl bromide or bromomethane and hydrogen bromide molecule, and it is in the presence of sunlight. Now we discuss the mechanism of this reaction. Students, the mechanism of halogenation of alkanes is called free radical mechanism. What is meant by free radical mechanism? This is a kind of process in which the free radical is produced. So this is the free radical mechanism of halogenation of alkanes. There are three steps of this mechanism. The first step is called initiation. Step number 1 is called initiation. Initiation means the starting of a reaction. In this step, a bromine molecule is broken into bromine free radicals with the help of sunlight. The sunlight provides energy to the electrons in bromine-bromine bond. These electrons are excited and a homolytic cleavage takes place where one electron goes towards one bromine and the other electron goes towards the other bromine. As a result, we get bromine radicals. These are two bromine radicals. This process is called the initiation or initiation step. Step number 2, this step is called propagation. What is meant by propagation? The propagation means continuous replacement of hydrogens of alkane with halogen radicals. In this process, for example, we have methane molecule that can be written as CH3H. This is the hydrogen which is to be replaced. Here the bromine draw a hydrogen atom from here. One electron goes here and the electrons of bromine also comes towards this one, and as a result we get HBr. This is our hydrogen bromide molecule. The other electron goes towards the carbon atom, and when this bond is broken we get a methyl free radical. We can say that a halogen free radical produces a methyl or alkyl free radical. In the other step or next step, this methyl radical will produce a halogen free radical. How it can be done? One electron from here goes towards the methyl radical and the methyl radical electron comes here. So a bond is formed between methyl and this bromine. So we get methyl bromide molecule. Similarly, this electron goes towards the bromine atom, and as a result a bromine radical is produced. You have seen that in this step a bromine radical has produced an alkyl radical, and in next step an alkyl radical has produced a bromine radical. This process goes on, and in the next step CH3Br will react with bromine radical, and as a result HBr and CH2Br radical will be produced. That will happen continuously in so many steps, and as a result we will get a mixture of different alkyl halides. But as far as the mechanism is concerned, we will have to write only up to the methyl bromide or the production of methyl bromide. Step number 3. The step number 3 is called, this is called termination step. Termination means the end of a reaction. In termination step, there are so many possibilities. For example, one of the possibility is that methyl radical reacts with another methyl radical, and when they share their electrons, they produce ethane. In this reaction, an ethane molecule can be produced. So this is one of the possibility of termination of this reaction. Another possibility is that a bromine radical may react with a bromine radical and Br2 molecule can be produced. This will not generally happen because we are doing this for the production of alkyl halides, so the possibility of this step is lower. Similarly, another possibility is that methyl radical reacts with a bromine radical and produces methyl bromide. This is the most possible reaction that may happen. So in this mechanism, in the termination step, we can get ethane molecule, bromine or methyl bromide, but the most possible one is this step, where the purpose of this reaction is also to produce an alkyl halide. I hope you will understand the mechanism of free radical halogenation of alkanes. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.